Hello, everyone, and welcome to August 2022 Recruiterflow product update. So, the first feature that I want to talk about is interest link, and this is something that I'm really excited about. This has been um, something like this has been a feature request for a lot of our users, and we really dug deep and trying to understand how do we help our users the best way. And so here it goes. This feature helps you increase collision rate or match rate between your candidates and your jobs, right? So, for example, if one of your recruiters is talking to a candidate pitching a particular role, there might be 5 or 10 other roles that this candidate might be a good fit for, but it's nearly impossible to pitch 5 roles or 7 roles or 10 roles um, to a candidate while you are live on a call. So, and that is why we built this feature. So let's say I have my candidate Mike Ross, a couple of jobs, VP sales and core team. I'm going to add him to a few more. So let's say I'm going to add him as sales manager, as well as another VP sales job with a different client. So there we go. Now I have 4 different jobs that I think Mike can be a good fit for. And I want to pitch all 4 of these roles to him. What we now have is an interest link. So I can just generate this interest link and send it over to the candidate. And this is what the candidate will see. So this is a personalized landing page that is, branded. So it'll have your logo, candidate's name, and they can see all the jobs, and they can, either indicate that so they can look at the jobs details, job description and things like that, indicate whether they're interested or they would like to pass on this position. So makes it very easy for you to pitch multiple jobs to a candidate and make sure that you present your candidates with a large number of options and increase your chances of making that placement. So that's first. Second feature is on the KanBan view that I want to talk about. So here, it was difficult for you to figure out if somebody is in a particular stage, whether there is an event scheduled with them in the future or not. So, for example, if somebody is in interview stage, whether that interview is scheduled in the future, so you're waiting for the interview to happen, or the interview was done in the past and now you need to do something about the candidate, right? So to make it very easy, we came up with a calendar icon on the KanBan card. Here, if the calendar icon is green, that means that there is an event scheduled in the future, and if it's in the gray, that means that the last event is was scheduled in the past. And if there is no calendar icon, that means that there is no event scheduled with this candidate. So that's just makes it very easy for you to quickly see where action needs to be taken and where you're waiting for the interview to happen. There are a bunch of more interesting things that we released this month. I'm going to put down all of those things in the description below, as well as a link to the blog post announcing all of this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you.